Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Devi Fatmasari and I'm from English Education Department, University of Muria Kudus. The nature needs to be saved. In a collapsing world we're living, day by day it was so draining, surrounded by human beings with their selfishness, by them making the nature lifeless. How could they cut down 1,000,000 trees from the forest heartlessly? How could they think for another creatures carelessly? How could they earn the covers of money without the feel of guilty? By killing the green lungs of the world illegally. How long can the world stand the trouble? How long the world will be destroyed? Open your eyes. Protect your earth. Let us save the nature for the better future. Thank you.